Sunday afternoon.
Can you see what we got going on here?
So
Seattle bringing on the 12s.
we're in Phoenix and we are on our way to
University of Phoenix Stadium to battle the crowds to get into the oversold, sold out Seattle Seahawks versus Arizona Cardinals football game on Sunday night football.
Sunday night. Yes. So we're super excited. This is only our second Seahawks game and our third NFL game together.
Awesome.
Yes.
It's about 1:30, 94 degrees here in Phoenix. Loving the hot weather, not so much.
Yeah, these jerseys, as you can tell, Gary over here is not wearing his jersey yet.
I'll put it on later.
I'm wearing mine though, and so I'm double layered. Oh, normally during Seahawks football, it's cold. We wear scarves, we wear hats. We don't deal with 94-degree weather.
Yes, so this will be a different change, but different situation, but that's all right. I don't care. It's going to be hot, hot, hot. The Seahawks are hot, 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 so we'll see how they go.
Yep, so we're on our way. We're leaving our RV park right now, as you can tell. Bouncy bounce, wobblehead. And car's screaming at me to get my seatbelt on, so I better do that. I'll catch you a little bit later when we're at the stadium. Bye-bye. Hello, so we are just about a mile away from the stadium, or less. I don't know. We can see it. So traffic is going pretty well, and our biggest challenge is going to find parking. So we'll update here in a little bit.
It's always fun finding a parking in a strange city.
Yep, but we're prepared.
We'll get it done.
Yeah. We are going to infiltrate with some blue and green. Well, now we wait. We found our parking. $10, not bad. So we found that the parking lot we are in is mostly Seahawks parking. So we are having a lot of fun just hanging out here in Phoenix's own Seahawks Nest. Hawks Nest. So what are we doing, guys?
Oh, we're just sitting out here in the parking lot enjoying conversation with other Hawk fans,
Go Hawks!
around the country.
Yeah.
We have Alaska representing right here.
Got a lot of Canadians over there too.
It just happened that we pulled into the parking lot that was full of Hawks. I don't know. I guess we're the only ones that want to pay $20 to park in a parking lot. All the other Cardinal fans are like either season ticket holders or cheapskates. So they pull into the other parking lots. But we're here, and we've seen probably over 100 Hawk fans in this one parking lot alone. It's been really awesome.
It's going to be well represented tonight.
We've already made some contacts for some folks in Alaska, and for our trip next year, we're going to hook up with Brent
with an A.
and see what he's got going for us in Anchorage next year.
Yeah.
So, all right, for now, go Hawks!
Go Hawks!
All right. Woo.
Hey!
Hi!
How we doing?
Well, we're finally making our way to the game.
We enjoyed a few beers and some good food at Gordon Biersch Brewery here in Phoenix.
With some of one of his old co-workers.
Yes, it was awesome to see you again, Tracy. Hopefully you'll see the video and say yeah.
Yep, so our next shot, we should probably be in the stadium.
We'll see what happens.
Yeah.
We're working our way to the stadium now.
We'll know our tickets are good then.
It's still 95 degrees out. It's hot. Okay, so one thing I've noticed around here, we are in Phoenix, Arizona. What do you see? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I see Hawk fans everywhere. I don't see Cardinal fans anywhere. There's one Cardinal over there. Oh no.
Hawks.
This is Hawk territory.
No, it is.
Hawk territory. Seahawks! Where are the Cardinals? I don't see them. We're walking from our parking lot to the stadium, and I don't see any Cardinals in the area. This is awesome. Go Hawks!
So we're officially getting herded in. Make sure we don't have anything not allowed.
Making it official.
Finally putting on your jersey. Now that we're in shade.
Yeah, now it's not 97 degrees out on me. I got the jersey on rather than just a t-shirt. We're inside the stadium grounds now, heading into the gates to see what we can find inside for our seats. That didn't make sense at all. Well, I'm lost.
And a few beers in.
Yeah, we're gonna head inside and see what we can find inside. Maybe a couple of bites to eat too. So we made it inside the stadium. We're heading up the escalator to the club level. We're gonna go find out what we can get, what we can do, and what we can see. So check you on later. I don't know, it's kind of nice. I see a lot of red here. A lot of red. It's kind of fun. All right, we found our seats. We are in section 203, row 5, 8, and 9. Right at the corner of the end zone of the Cardinals. And we got some Seahawks right behind us, but I'm betting all around us is going to be Cardinal fans. So this might be kind of a fun night.
Yes.
All right, guys. Turn around and show our view.
Radio simulcast on 102.9 FM. Also on the Cardinals Spanish Radio, KQMR 103 FM.
Due to NFL copyright, I believe I can't film during gameplay, so here are some shots that I took while we were watching the game. Well, it is the end of the first quarter and still 0-0. We do have some Seahawks behind us. We have some rude Cardinal fans in front of us. They stand every time we have the ball, but that's okay because right over there we have a huge TV screen so I can still see. But disrespectful. But that's how some people play. Other than that, we're having a good time.
Hey.
Go Hawks.
Any game's a good game.
Starting
right?
off slow,
Yeah,
but
good.
that's okay. We can always come back from 0.
0-0 first quarter. Hey, Seahawks got 1 sack. All right, that's
Yeah,
good.
so we're doing good.
Hey guys, here we are at the Arizona Cardinals game. We're trying to get the light better on the camera as she's fumbling over my feet. So, the Arizona Cardinals game, the Arizona Cardinals and Seahawks just finished up. And you wouldn't believe it, but we finished up in a tie in overtime.
It was absolutely
It was
nuts.
horribly crazy. The Cardinals missed a field goal. Seahawks, we got the ball back. The Seahawks missed a field goal with 19 seconds left on the clock. Game over, done, tie. Can't believe it. All the excitement. My voice is trashed. Her voice is trashed. And it was a tie.
It was a true Western draw.
If you look at the numbers, it looks like the Cardinals pulled it off. They did better. But overall, the Seahawks, the defense of the Seahawks team held this Cardinals. And I believe the Seahawks played a better game. Am I biased? Probably so.
Yep.
So,
We'll always love our Hawks.
Mickey
so.
Jr., that's for you. Hawks forever. Blood blue and green. Bleed blue and green.
Absolutely. Well worth the time, the money, and the effort to get here.
Absolutely.
We'd do it again for the same outcome, but honestly, we'd rather have a Hawk win than a draw, but
Yes,
it is
yes.
what it is.
So we'll see.
And the 49ers lost today. Big.
Well, that's a good time.
They
That's a
have
good
been
thing.
losing. So
Yes.
in all, it's all a good day.
It's been a good day. Been a good game. We'll see what happens at the next game. I'm not sure where we're going, if we're going to another game soon or not, but until next time, see you guys.
And
later
at
on.
least it's a draw, so we don't have to worry about our lives going home.
All right. It's a draw.
All right. Talk to you later.
Ahora.
Bye.